It's really early at the orphanage. Hold on, my friend Carl. Yo. Wow. Beautiful morning. Does anybody from the vlog remember Carl? Because we were hanging out in New York back in the day. I put a vlog up about
6
that.
months ago.
I saw the sweet car. Yeah. Oh my word! This is this is a beautiful ride.
I know.
I love it. Hey, thanks, man. Let's do it again sometime. Okay, I'll try. I'll see him when I come back. I miss that guy. Hey, wow, nice bus.
Yeah, some today. We have extra time.
Sounds like a
I don't know
plan.
when the last time you did a moto is, but I feel like you can probably handle it.
That's a lot of goats. Carl's gonna show me the school right here. Then we're gonna maybe go get some food. I like the soccer goals. What happens if they get a goal though? It just kind of goes right through. Kids do we have here?
We have 5 in that room, in the back one,
Hmm.
and 4 in front. And then we have Teo staying with Jesse. Lunar Reach. Usually we do directions in the girls' class, and the guy looking in for directions.
Whoa. Okay, lawn, desert. Lawn, desert. So this is my friend Derek, and he knows how to make a lawn. how did you do it?
A lot of water.
A lot of water.
A lot of water.
Do you have to plant it, or is it just you just need water and that's about it? The soil's good and everything.
No, I didn't seed it. And also
you
put a
did?
lot of good manure on it.
Ready? Get set. Hi guys.
Uh-oh, what great educational material do we have here?
Yeah, I know that. El topo de mirada penetrante ha sido digno.
You can read it.
Oh yeah?
This is in English.
Oh, there
It's
we
mine.
go.
You can
He's got
read
like 4 or 5. They're great.
I like this. Oh,
because
check
we use the
out
other
the
one
set
for-
of wheels.
It's pretty classy though.
It looks good, man. It matches your shirt. Check it out. You're on camera right now.
I'm on camera.
Yeah.
Hello, Mom.
Okay, we're gonna go get some shots in the city here, and this is probably not the safest way to travel, but
Yeah, I heard.
I'm trusting you with my life, my man.
How's that all?
Just my life. If we crash, I'm gonna really be sad because it'll hurt my camera.
And maybe even consider your life while we're at it.
What?
We'll see how many strange looks we can get.
Oh yeah. It is so calm. There is like no traffic. Well, I mean, there's this big truck right here.
Power stroke forward.
That ride took 5 minutes and 56 seconds, according to this. That guy was looking at us weird. Carl took me out here to show me something so we can get a shot for this video.
Look.
You get the sun coming
Ready?
out right underneath.
Get set. That's gonna be fun. It's been a while since I climbed one of those.
Oh, this sunburst. Oh, that looks really nice. Carl is hauling my tripod up there for me.
Okay, we're gonna try to vlog it while climbing. Yeah, this is a bad idea. I'm gonna.
Not gonna fit. You want to put it in front? Are you good? You good?
Hey, I can actually. If I fall down, somebody catch the camera, okay? See how small this tiny cage is? It's really hard to vlog, so I think I'm gonna call it here until we get to the top. Whoa. Just what do you say? 80 feet?
That's what it looks like.
I'd say we're 80 feet. We're higher than that tower over there for sure.
Wow.
Maybe more like 60 or 70, but it's a long way.
Mountains, mountains,
Mountain.
mountains, mountains, mountains. This is a valley that is completely surrounded by mountains, apparently. Right, Carl?
Takes a little bit to get to him out that way.
Wrapped filming up here on the top of this ginormous water tower. Going back down. Yeah.
Fall, guess who I'm gonna land on?
Yeah. Okay,
Big backpack.
mission accomplished. Good work, guys. Good work.
No problem.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, supper time. I was just in my room, like getting work done, and Carl was taking a break.
Shit.
Look at this. Do you look? Does it looks like I have enough cameras? Or oh, look at that! Check out the sunset. Oh. And so ends the first day here, wrapping things up and gonna get some sleep. That door is really squeaky. Today was just kind of integrate in and feel things out here at the orphanage. Shot a lot of interviews, spent some time in town. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow, but the internet here is like about that powerful. So yeah, it's kind of remote. If you feel like it, you could like give it a thumbs up because that's the cool thing to do. Everybody says it, so I'll see you tomorrow, and